This recent manufactured tanker built for the Abercrombie, Nova Scotia Fire Department was built on a Kenworth T370 series two-door conventional cab with a PACCAR PX9 with 380 horsepower and an Allison 3000 EVS 5-speed automatic transmission. This truck is equipped with a Nathan K3 train horn, Federal Q2B mechanical siren that is mounted through the front bumper, and a Federal PA 300 100-watt siren also mounted in the front bumper. The lighting package on this truck is a Whelen LED light package. It shows the Whelen M4 V2R combination flasher and perimeter lights, and Whelen red LED 400 on all four sides of the unit. Each compartment has LED lighting inside for ease of visibility. As you can see in the compartments, the sliding trays are made by Slidemaster with a 600-pound capacity. The pump is a Hale AP PTO driven 420 imperial gallons per minute pump. The poly tank is 1600 imperial gallons. In-control governor made by FRC mounted on the pump panel. This truck also has a sliding vertical tool board for easy mounting of different tools and hardware. On the driver's side of the unit, there's a hydraulic portable tank rack system made by Zyco. Controls mounted at the rear of the unit. For more information on this unit and others, feel free to call us anytime at 1-800-561-0012